Hi friends, welcome to the Mr. Error YouTube channel. Here's how to change WhatsApp's language on Android, iOS, and web desktop. On Android, Method 1, change WhatsApp language, Android 13 and above, open Settings on your Android phone. Go to System, Languages and Input, App Languages. Tap WhatsApp. Choose your preferred language. This method changes the language for WhatsApp only, not your whole phone. Method 2. Change device language. All Android versions. Go to Settings, System, Languages and Input, Languages. Tap Add a Language and select your preferred one. Drag it to the top of the list to make it default. Open WhatsApp, and it will now show in the new language. This changes the language for the entire phone. iOS, iPhone. iOS 13 and later. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap WhatsApp. Tap Language. Choose your preferred language. This changes the language for WhatsApp only if the app supports it. For older iOS versions, go to Settings, General, Language and Region. Tap iPhone language, choose a new language, and confirm. WhatsApp will use the system language. WhatsApp web or desktop uses your browser or computer language. To change it, change the browser, Chrome or Edge, go to Settings, Languages, add or move your preferred language to the top. Refresh WhatsApp web, https://web.whatsapp.com. There's no direct language option in WhatsApp web. It follows your system or browser settings. For more interesting video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.